How to add voice in Character AI. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To create a voice in Character AI, it is pretty simple. Start off by launching your Character AI app. Make sure you are logged in into your Character AI account. If you are new to it, make sure to log in and create an account. Then, next step would be to create a character. You can create one by tapping on the Create button and tap on Character. Now, if you wish to add a voice to the character, you can tap on the character, then head over to the name, and here you will see the voice option, click on it. From here, based on the character, you will find some of the example that you can add. You can select on it, to which you will get a little preview. Then you can click on Select Voice. If you want to add on your own, tap on the Create button. Here you will get the chance to upload a sound or record a sound of your own. Then you can give voice to your character. If you want to add just the voice, you can tap on the Create button and click on Voice, where you can upload the sound or record yourself. This sums up the tutorial as well. Hopefully you found it helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.